This is Project 2, Stage 4, Adjusting Layout Size. Before you proceed, make sure that you have this file that you just completed saved, because we're going to be saving as and changing to a new file to make a postcard. When we're working in Illustrator to create a different size version of a file that we created, we would create a new artboard, drag the image over onto the new artboard, and start resizing and changing everything down. With InDesign, we have a function available to adjust layout. We're going to first of all change my view back from preview to normal, and I'm going to save a copy of this save as and rename it postcard. In the postcard file that we just created, go to File and Adjust Layout, which is going to give us this dialog box. We're changing the width to 7 inches and the height to 5, which is a standard postcard size. Make sure that the constrain icon is active in the margin field and in the bleed field as well. We are going to change our bleeds and our margins from 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch, and the bleeds we're going to do the same thing. Tab to make sure that you change all of them. We're also going to adjust the point size and then click OK. The program itself just changed everything over to the new size. Save that file, and we're going to do some corrections to it. There were probably some strange things that happened, like the text across the top has spacing that needs to be adjusted. Start working with the second text frame, select it, and drag the top center handle up until the Y position is at point just under 3/4 of an inch. The body text again is fitting in the frame, and the web address has moved back into place. Put an insertion point in the heading, and in the paragraph options we're going to look for justification, and we're going to change the maximum letter spacing field to 20%. Click Preview to see the changes that you're making, and change the maximum glyph scaling to 150%. Looks a lot cleaner. Click OK to finalize the change. In the Layers panel, unlock the rectangle using the Direct Selection tool. Click to select the background image in the frame. So we're going to deal with that placed image over the gradient. In the Transform section of the Properties panel, click the More Options button and change the placed image size to 63% proportionally. Select then the placed image in the guitar shape and also change that to 63% and save the postcard.